Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Tallinn, Estonia, and look at this tower. Well, I didn't have to do the psh at the end, but okay. No, that's not either. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Saint Olaf's Church. It's a big boy. You can see the spire and the steeple of the tower from almost the entire city. It's pretty amazing, and you can't really even see my face. If I click on my face, I get bright, and the church gets really bright. Anyway, let's go inside and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, bye everybody. Some creepy music for a church. I love the ceilings though. Look how high they are. Okay, everybody, bye.